Mays Cord Blood Services. Mays Cord Blood Laboratories was founded with a commitment to making cord blood banking affordable for as many parents as possible without ever compromising service and quality. Unlike some of the bigger commercial cord blood banks, we do not advertise through television, radio, or big glossy magazines, nor do we have an extensive sales structure in every area of the United States. Without these excessive sales and marketing costs, we can pass along the savings to you, thereby keeping the cost of umbilical cord blood banking affordable. We invest in the important areas, top quality processing and storage for your baby's cord blood. Mays Cord Blood Service certifications are setting the industry standard. Mays maintains the highest possible cord blood standards in the industry. The cord blood is processed by one of the oldest, most respected not-for-profit laboratories in the cord blood bank field. They are AABB accredited and have had numerous successful transplants from their stem cell collections. Our lab is licensed with the New York Department of Health, one of the most difficult licenses to attain, the New Jersey Department of Health, the California Department of Health, and the Maryland Department of Health. Mays Cord Blood Laboratories is directed by 2 MDs and 1 PhD. One physician is a specialist in hematology, blood diseases, and one is a urologist specializing in the cryopreservation of human tissue. The PhD is a specialist in hematopoietic stem cells, which are found in umbilical cord blood. This broad range of experts involved in our cord blood bank ensures that every aspect of the collection, processing, and long-term cord blood storage is handled with the utmost professionalism and care. Mays offers state-of-the-art cord blood services. Advances in cord blood technology are taking place every day. Many for-profit companies, as well as not-for-profit organizations, are working on developing methods for expanding the cord blood to increase the number of stem cells, as well as researching treatments for additional diseases. Mays Cord Blood Laboratories, in its affiliation with one of the country's most respected not-for-profit blood companies, is in a unique position of having access to all the most current advances in cord blood research without having our patients finance that research. Private Cord Blood Guarantee. You may have read about guarantees offered by other cord blood banks. We've seen guarantees posted as high as $25,000 to $50,000. Cord blood companies that offer these guarantees state that if you need to use your child's cord blood stem cells for transplantation and the cells fail to engraft, you will receive reimbursement of your processing and banking costs, as well as extraordinary compensation in the tens of thousands. The truth is, when you look carefully at all the exclusions and exceptions in the guarantees offered by other banks, you will see that these cord blood banks have established many exceptions that virtually eliminate the possibility that they would ever be liable to pay for guarantees in the $25,000 to $50,000 range. What may not be apparent on these websites or in the contracts you will sign regarding these guarantees are the pages of exceptions that raise the question as to whether these guarantees will ever get paid out. For example, cord blood bank guarantees are void if a collecting doctor or nurse varies at all from the cord blood company's own standard operating procedure. It may be easy for these companies to cite the smallest variance in their own SOP and will therefore not guarantee the blood or pay the guarantee amount. Also, if a parent has been on any experimental medication, or if the quantities of blood collected are low, exceptions apply and the guarantees are not paid. If you and your doctor read the fine print, you will see that it is very unlikely that this guarantee will ever come to pass. Failure for stem cells to engraft is beyond the control of any cord blood company, any lab, or any parent. That's the truth. At Mays Labs, we've decided not to offer a guarantee unless it is a real one. As a compassionate company, should your child need his or her cord blood for stem cell transplantation and the cells fail to engraft, we will reimburse you for the costs of collection and storage of these cells. Mays Labs has been operating successfully for 15 years, and we're FDA registered and approved. Our processing and storage facilities are safe and secure, and we are honest providers of this important service. Make sure you read the fine print before spending more on a cord blood bank with a questionable guarantee. Consider the honesty and integrity of Mays. Mays Cord Blood Laboratories offers you state-of-the-art cord blood processing and storage at an affordable price. Keep these cord blood credentials in mind. Mays Cord Blood Bank is an FDA-approved and regulated facility. In compliance with the FDA, Mays adheres to quality standards for laboratory testing to ensure the accuracy, reliability, and timeliness of patient test results. Finally, Mays works with Community Blood Services, an AABB-accredited lab.